Identifying and fixing them is crucial for maintaining a healthy website. Search Console is a great way to do it, all right? It can help you identify broken links by providing a list of 404 errors found during the crawls, and it's an essential resource for maintaining site health. Now, we had a whole section a couple months ago on the issues that you can find in Search Console. We went through all of them. I think it was like 12 or 15 of them. That's going to give you a lot of details on those. So if you're already an All-Star member, you can go ahead and find it in the All-Stars list, all about the Search Console errors, okay? So check that out. I'll give you a lot of details on how to find them, what all the different errors mean, but using Search Console can at least get you there. Using crawling tools like Screaming Frog, Ahrefs, SEMrush to crawl your website and identify broken links is also a huge value. And I tend to use both Screaming Frog and SEMrush. I use both side by side. See which one. Sometimes they catch different problems. Sometimes one is easier to figure out the answer to than the other. Personally, I think SEMrush has a better interface and look, and it's easier to kind of see what the problems are. But I think Screaming Frog is easier to figure out the solution to the problem because of some of the ways that they can interact with it. But all these tools provide comprehensive reports on 404 errors to help you pinpoint and address issues. Now remember, sometimes it's only Google that can help you, because if somebody on an external website links to one of my pages on my website, but they make a typo, I'm not going to know that error. I can't scroll my website and find the error, because the error is on somebody else's website pointing at me. The only way I can find it is when Google indexes that other website and sees the link pointing to my website, and they go, wait a minute, this page is not there. They let me know in Google Search Console. And now I can fix that. Maybe I can, redirect that link to the proper page. Maybe I can reach out to the person linking to me and say, hey, you got a broken link, and you fix it. Lots of different ways that I can do that, all right? So use those tools as well. And then, of course, manual checks can also be worthwhile. Periodically review your site's key pages and manually check for broken links. Now, that's time-consuming, but it definitely ensures there's no broken links or overlooked. I wouldn't do that personally. I mean, you can. I mean, if I'm on a page and I hit a link and it's broken, oh, wait, now I'll go look and see what the broken link is. I mean, I saw something the other day where there was a link in a footer item on a page that had, website.com, but I forgot the dot. So it was like websitecom.com, and it was broken. And since it was in the footer, there was like 1,000 broken links. I went in, I fixed the one footer link, and those 1,000 broken links went away. In Google's eyes, it's a link on every page. Every page is a broken link, right? Because it's in the footer. Problem. Fix it. Okay?